Okay, hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I know, nasabi ko or nag-post ako nung nakaraan na nasira itong ating PC, nag-breakdown. So ngayon, ayos ko na siya. So gawa na tayo ng video yan. Today is Sunday, so happy Sunday, happy weekend sa inyo. So bakit ako gagawa ng video? Tungkol saan tong video na to? This is going to be about the dollar. Why? Kasi kung mapapansin natin, the dollar looks like it is trying to break out from this falling wedges resistance area. And again, if this is going to break out from this, the target is going to be most probably the top of the wedge, which is going to be around 108 of DXY. Ibig sabihin, if this is going to be a successful breakout, no, magiganyan, pwede siyang gumanyan, the traditional market will be going down kasi lalakas si dollar. Okay? So ngayon, pwede natin siguro tingnan ng mabilis si traditional markets. Okay? So dito sa traditional markets, again, this is the Dow Jones. Alam ko naman na nasabi ko na sa inyo that this is, or this to me, looks like a rising wedge pattern. And again, if the dollar is going to break out from this falling wedge, most probably, di ba, the Dow Jones is going to break down from this rising wedge pattern. Okay? So ano ibig sabihin nun? What's in it for Bitcoin? So ibig sabihin, again, na-mention ko na rin to sa recent video natin, if this is Bitcoin, or if Bitcoin is also in a rising wedge pattern, the most probable scenario is for it to break down. Okay, that is just going to be a reminder. I'm not saying na sure, pero if you're going to pay attention, this is Bitcoin on the daily chart, no? Kung mapapansin nyo, the Bitcoin's price action is trying to go up, or it is trying to recover. But again, there is no volume to support this move. Ibig sabihin, wala talagang masyadong bumibili, or meron tayo sa madaling salita na volume anomaly. So, ayun lang, 'di ba? So, let's say, pwede ba 'tong biglang gumanito ang movement? Pwede ba siyang bumaba and then mag-retest, saka siya diretso pababa? Yes, that is going to be possible. Ibig sabihin, pag bababa ito, tas tataas, ang unang gagawin ni DXY is tataas muna bago ang tawag dito, magbe-breakout muna and then retest, tas tsaka siya magdediretso. So, parang itsura niyan sa chart. Kung mapapansin niyo or lalabas ko 'tong ating EMA 200, which is going to be this red moving average, pwedeng ang gawin ni dollar is breakout, retest, and then tsaka siya mag-continue up. No? So for me, that is the most probable scenario. Diba? Breakout, retest, rally. Dito, breakdown, retest, rally. So that is just for me. Sana may natutunan kayo sa quick video na to. Again, kung hindi mo pa nila-like, comment, at subscribe, pwede mo na yung gawin. No? Again, happy weekend, happy Sunday. Mabilis na mabilis lang to. Yun lang. Bye-bye.